own brand. So, well, I'm so happy to celebrate with the media. Happy birthday! Thank you so much. लगता है कि मुझे पैसा देना पड़ेगा, आपको देने के लिए एक्स्ट्रा पैसा देना पड़ेगा. हाँ बोलिए.
अच्छा मायरा, टुडे वेरी हैप्पी डे बर्थडे. तो आज का क्या आपका ऐसा प्रोग्राम है, बर्थडे में क्या विशेष है, क्या आपका एक्सक्लूसिव है जो आप मैसेज देना चाहेंगी लोगों के लिए?
Yeah, well, thank you so much. Happy birthday to me, and I'm so glad I'm celebrating the beautiful birthday because I love what I do. That is like fashion. I'm like I love fashion. I love being styling, and you know what? I'm shooting for my own brand, House of Myra, on my birthday. I'm super excited and exhilarated, and especially with media people, आप लोगों के साथ मुझे birthday मनाना बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और anyways, like a special message is like आजकल जो हो रहा है ना, जो लड़कियों के साथ, being a woman, like I really I don't understand why India is not changing, like still it's 2024. कब बंद होगा ये कब बंद होगा? it's women is like a शक्ति, नारी शक्ति को आप लोग कब समझोगे? आप कब समझोगे? मतलब क्या मॉन्स्टर्स है क्या इंडिया में? India is like what? Like nobody is safe. Any one city, nobody is safe in India. And being woman and this being on my birthday, I'm just like requesting and I'm praying to God that it's only भगवान change कर सकता है इस दुनिया को. ना नरेंद्र मोदी change कर सकता, ना इंसान change हो सकता. कुछ होगा तो बस कोई जादू होगा, वो तो बस भगवान ही कर सकता है. बस pray ही कर सकते, क्योंकि कुछ भी कर लो ये इंसान बदल ही नहीं रहा है इंडिया में. Every time, repeat the same old story about Hatyachar on Nari. Again another protest, again another candle march. This is not done. When will India change? I'm asking Narendra Modi, when are you going to change the India? This is wrong. This is absolutely wrong what's going on with a woman in India. This is India. Come on, we have a freedom. Freedom India. This is not freedom. आए दिन कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है, आए दिन कुछ ना कुछ लड़कियों के पर अत्याचार ही हो रहा है. ये तो गलत है. बट एनीवेज, आई प्रे टू गॉड दैट ऑल गर्ल्स लाइक प्लीज बी ब्रेव. जस्ट वन इंसिडेंट डजंट मीन दैट लाइक वी गोइंग टू बी इन डिजास्टर्स अगेन. बी बोल्ड, बी स्ट्रांग. एंड टू द फैमिली हु लॉस्ट अ डॉक्टर like Momita. Yeah. So I wish the family condolence and a strength to the family. May God bless her soul. And best thing is like love and light, peace India we need. Thank you.
अच्छा, दूसरा क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जो आपका ड्रेस का कलेक्शन है, जिस तरीके से आप मेहनत करती है और आज बॉलीवुड के लिए, जनरेशन के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Talk. I can stand and talk.
No, this is better.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I just like in my brand House of Myra, I have put lot of lot of colors, vibrant colors. मुझे colors बहुत पसंद है, rainbow colors. Like you talk about any costumes of mine, it's like more of beach wear, more of party, like shimmery, shining, sparkling clothes. Like I'm more into party wears and beach wears. House of Myra is all about vibrant colors, party wears, beach wears. And now like today being on my birthday, like I'm inspired to do the look of Marilyn Monroe. Like I just love her look. 60s and 70s 80s look is still gold for me. Classic look. You talk about her hairstyle, you talk about her makeup, the dark fairy tale, like fairy tale has to be like a Cinderella story, fairy tale story. So it's like more shimmery, shiny look. www.myra.com is like you have it on the app, you have it on the website, so it's easily like आजकल सारे digital हो रहे हैं, तो फिर like 1 second it just takes a download myra.com and you can shop as much as you want, and it's a very trendy, very fashionable and very styling clothes one can wear where look amazingly hot and sexy. And you know what, my clothes are very comfortable, like, you know, very easygoing and very smooth and very stylish. So I think the young generation has like the more bold look. It's very like, it's like more vibrant colors, bold look. So yeah, I'm happy that I'm giving the beautiful generation a beautiful new trendy fashionable and a very stylizing look.
Thank you.